This video is a part of a series where you're going to learn how to properly use Bootstrap components in React. Last time we set up the React application and installed the ReactJS library. In this video, you're going to learn how to use Bootstrap buttons in your React applications. Alright, so this is where we left off last time. Now let's go ahead and explore some more options that ReactJS provides for buttons. First of all, you can change the color of the button. So you can do color primary, so that is this blue color. Then you can have a secondary color. You can see this is the secondary color. Let's add some extra space after each button. It also provides an info button, a warning button, a danger button, and a link button. A link button is basically used to display a button which looks like a link. So if you want that for some reason, that's how you do it. Apart from the colors, you can make a button disabled. So this is how you do a disabled button. So notice now you cannot click the first button, and you can change the active state of the button. So you could do active is true. So now the second button is, if we set this to false, you can see it changes its color a little. So it's basically indicating an active state. So if I set this to true, you can see the color slightly changes. Let's apply it on the first button. I think that'll be more clear. Active, true. And if you take a look at that, let's remove the disabled from this button, and you can see the active state is a little bit different than the normal state. So if I set this to false, you can see it changes its color a little bit. That's active. Now let's say that if you want to make a button full width, what you can do in that case is basically give another attribute called block and set this equal to true. That will make a button full width. Now you can also give a size to the button. So for instance, if you want a small size, you can just do size sm, and you can see it shrinks in size. And you can also do size lg, and that will make the button a little bit bigger. Now let's say that if you want to make a button outlined, you can also do outline true, and what this will do is make this button outlined. So you can see ReactJS provides quite a lot of flexibility when using buttons. While we're here, let's add some padding to the sides of this page. The standard way to do this is to use a container element. So let's go ahead and import a container, and then instead of using this div with the class of app, let's just go ahead and change this div to a container, and that will contain everything, so to speak. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to use Bootstrap alert messages. So to not miss it, I urge you to subscribe. You can get the source code for each episode by clicking on the link provided in the description box below this video. If you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them below. Hopefully me or somebody else could help you out.